Not many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, wiping out the intricacies engaged with the decentralized biological system. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the remarkable highlights of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV, displaying an unmatched exhibition. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point forward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale enormously. As a credulous participant in 2018, not many individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a little troubled in exchanging BSV. A huge benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a wonderful expansion in the quantity of excavators. Upheld by a hardy and high data transfer capacity public blockchain stage, Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a mixture agreement system. An extraordinary component is that it can trap deceitful or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the previous block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic strategies that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. A striking trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This noticeable characteristic makes it exceptional contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. Bitcoin SV establishment, acting capably. The increases from the Bitcoin establishment likewise offer to BSV the local area benefits. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets generous commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV engineers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When endorsed, the engineer group tries out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage additionally includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. Bitcoin SV value, following the verifiable investigation. No big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV has been sensibly strong. With Bitcoin hustling up to turn into a public decision in 2019, it gave energy to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a high of $95. The noteworthy assembly went on with negligible adjustments. Afterward, Bitcoin SV showed a gigantic retreat in the long stretch of September 2020. Another significant explanation was that the area offered other option and expanded speculation choices to Bitcoin and other advanced resources. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited opposition at $100.28. BSV highlighted quickly returning, building up some forward momentum at $120.20 notwithstanding the pandemic in 2020. Afterward, in 2021, Bitcoin SV has denoted a record-breaking high of $491.64. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting ATH, the BSV cost fell steeply towards $100 mark. Also, as of now, it is exchanging underneath the $50 mark throughout the course of recent months. BSV as a token has been making dynamic developments in the digital money market. Recorded on most of trades, the symbolic shows a market capitalization of $849,251,566.84 and is at present having a volume dissemination of $46,641,514.92 on the lookout. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $44. The specialists have changed conclusions in regards to the BSV cost expectation for what's in store. In view of the BSV cost expectation, a drawn-out revision is normal. The cost anticipation for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Greatest cost $28.87. Least cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost conjecture toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Bitcoin SV. During the last year, BSV coin was enrolling moderate energy. Despite the fact that there was a slight recuperation from February 2022, however, from that point forward, the coin has enlisted a sharp fall, and after May 2022, the cost of Bitcoin SV was exchanged decently. As of now, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the $40 mark, which is a decent sign, yet the cost is as yet exchanging underneath $46. As per the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show moderate recuperation before the current year's over, contrasted with other digital forms of money. Really take a look at here are other long-haul digital money expectations. BSV Coin Value Forecast 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and critical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with confidence. The esteemed resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV gauge. Bitcoin SV Value Gauge 2024. In the realm of digital currencies like BSV, there could be a gauge of wonders, and there could be sorcery in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations, 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation that the BSV digital currency could break every one of the obstructions and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2025. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of BSV would develop dramatically. By when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player. As indicated by our BSV Cost Forecast 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and most extreme value levels of $105 and $118 separately. BSV Forecast 2026. In view of the BSV cost estimate, the Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the outset towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV expectations 2027. According to the BSV cost conjecture 2027, the cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at the very least charge of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a most extreme degree of $156. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2028. In light of the Bitcoin SV cost expectation 2028, the BSV cost is anticipated to cross $165 by year's end. In the meantime, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at least degree of $158 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $168. BSV Coin Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according to the BSV expectation. During the year, the BSV cost could cross the greatest degree of $195 before the year's over, while the base cost